In the constantly evolving world of modern warfare, unmanned combat aerial vehicles are becoming the new backbone of air forces. Drones are no longer just for reconnaissance, they are now powerful, stealthy, and lethal machines capable of carrying out complex missions once reserved only for advanced fighter jets. At the center of this transformation is Russia's 2025 S-70 Okhotnik, a drone designed not just to support manned aircraft but to change the very rules of aerial combat. Today, on Car Review, we take you deep into the story of the Okhotnik, its design, its role, and why it is considered one of the most ambitious military projects of the decade. The name, Okhotnik, means hunter in Russian, and the aircraft certainly lives up to its name. This unmanned combat drone has been designed to operate in the shadows, fast, stealthy, and armed with advanced weapons, all while keeping its operators safe on the ground. Developed by Sukhoi, the same company behind fighter icons like the Su-57, the Okhotnik is built to complement Russia's next-generation air power strategy. From the very first glance, the S-70 Okhotnik makes a bold impression. Unlike traditional drones with visible fuselages and propellers, the Okhotnik is designed as a stealth flying wing. Its smooth, wide, angular body resembles the American B-2 Spirit stealth bomber, but on a smaller scale. This design reduces radar visibility, making it difficult for enemy systems to detect or track it. In modern battlefields where detection often means destruction, stealth is survival, and the Okhotnik has it in abundance. By 2025, the Okhotnik has gone through years of testing and refinement. Its role is clear, to work both independently and alongside manned fighters like the Su-57. In fact, one of its most promising features is its ability to act as a loyal wingman for the Su-57. This means that during combat missions, the Okhotnik can fly ahead of or alongside manned fighters, scouting enemy positions, jamming enemy radars, or even launching strikes, all while keeping human pilots out of direct danger. The drone is large, around 20 meters in wingspan and weighing about 20 tons. This makes it one of the heaviest and most capable combat drones in existence. But with that size comes power. The Okhotnik can reach speeds close to 1,000 km per hour, putting it in the jet-powered drone category, unlike many smaller propeller-driven UAVs. Its operational range exceeds several thousand kilometers, giving it the ability to carry out deep strike missions far from home bases. When it comes to weaponry, the Okhotnik doesn't disappoint. Its internal weapons base can carry guided bombs, precision strike missiles, and even air-to-air missiles. By keeping its weapons inside rather than on external pylons, the drone maintains a clean radar profile, ensuring maximum stealth. This capability allows it to carry out surprise attacks on heavily defended targets, penetrating enemy air defenses with far less risk than a manned jet. But weapons are only part of the story. The Okhotnik is also a flying sensor platform. Equipped with advanced radar, infrared, and electronic surveillance systems, it can detect and track targets while feeding real-time information to other aircraft and command centers. In modern combat, information is often as important as firepower, and drones like the Okhotnik serve as critical eyes and ears in contested airspace. Survivability and autonomy are key aspects of its design. Unlike earlier drones that required constant operator control, the S-70 is capable of semi-autonomous flight. This means it can follow pre-programmed missions, adjust to unexpected changes, and coordinate with other aircraft with minimal human input. In the chaos of war, this gives militaries faster decision-making and the ability to overwhelm opponents with coordinated strikes. The collaboration between the Su-57 and the Okhotnik is perhaps one of its most groundbreaking features. Together, they form a manned-unmanned combat team. The Su-57, with its advanced sensors and pilot intuition, can command one or multiple Okhotnik drones, sending them ahead into dangerous zones, allowing the manned fighter to remain in relative safety. Imagine a future air battle where a single Su-57 enters combat accompanied by a squadron of stealth drones. The Okhotnik makes this scenario possible. By 2025, testing has already shown the Okhotnik dropping guided bombs on simulated targets with high accuracy. Footage has also revealed the drone flying alongside Su-57 fighters, confirming its role as a loyal wingman. Russia envisions the Okhotnik not only as a national asset but also as a potential export for allied nations seeking high-tech unmanned systems. When compared to similar projects around the world, the S-70 stands in an elite category. The United States has its own advanced drones, such as the X-47B and the upcoming MQ Next, while China is developing its stealth drones as well. But what sets the Okhotnik apart is its combination of heavy payload, stealth, and integration with an advanced fighter like the Su-57. This places it in direct competition with the most advanced systems in the world, making it a true contender in shaping the future of aerial warfare. Of course, challenges remain. Operating such a large and advanced drone requires secure communication systems, especially in environments where enemies are constantly trying to jam or disrupt control signals. Autonomy will play an even bigger role as militaries aim to reduce reliance on long communication links. In 2025, much of the Okhotnik's potential lies not only in its hardware but in its evolving software and artificial intelligence, which will determine how effectively it can operate in real combat situations. But regardless of these challenges, one fact is undeniable: the S-70 Okhotnik represents a shift in thinking. Air combat is no longer just about the fastest jet or the most skilled pilot. It is about networks, teams of manned and unmanned systems, and the ability to strike first while remaining hidden. The Okhotnik embodies this future, showing how drones are not just tools but partners in combat. For aviation enthusiasts, the Okhotnik is fascinating not only because of its advanced design but also because of what it represents: the next step in Russia's military doctrine. It is a response to the global race for drone supremacy, where countries are pushing the limits of technology to gain the edge. With its stealthy appearance, long range, and powerful payload, the Okhotnik sends a clear message: it is here to hunt, and it is here to stay. On Car Review, we've covered powerful cars, luxurious jets, and legendary helicopters, but few machines embody the future of warfare as clearly as the S-70 Okhotnik. It is sleek, dangerous, and innovative, a hunter in every sense of the word. As we move into an era where machines fight alongside humans, the Okhotnik reminds us that the battlefield